Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to archive apps in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to archive any app, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your settings app. In settings, just go for apps, tap on it, and here you will have to look for the app which you want to archive. Here, for example, I'm going to select this one, just tap on it, and here, if it's possible, you can get archive section here you can see, but there you can see there is no any option in system apps, so you must have to look for app if it's possible to archive that app. As you see, there's an archive option, just tap on it and the app will be archived. So now look and find for messenger app, and here you will get this icon on your messenger app which you have archived. So that's how you can easily archive any app in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.